Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Math Learning with Shobita. Today we will discuss a question from linear algebra which is asked in the Raichur University Assistant Professor Examination 2024. The question is, the eigenvectors of the matrix 1, 2, 0, 2 are written in the form 1a and column vector 1b. What is a plus b? Option 1 0, option 2 1 by 2, option 3 1, option 4 2. Solution. So first we will see how to find the eigenvectors of the given matrix. So the algorithm to find the eigenvectors for a given square matrix A. So step 1, find the characteristic polynomial of A. Step 2, find the roots of characteristic polynomial of A to obtain the eigenvalues of A. Step 3, find a basis for the solution space of the homogeneous system A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. These basis vectors are linearly independent eigenvectors of A belonging to eigenvalue lambda. So what we have to do? First we have to find the characteristic polynomial of A. So given A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 2. Now determinant of A minus lambda I, we will get 1 minus lambda, 2, 0, 2 minus lambda. So this you will get 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. This is the characteristic polynomial. Therefore, lambda equal to 1, 2 are eigenvalues. Of matrix A. Okay. Now we will find the basis for the solution space of the homogeneous system A minus lambda x into x equal to 0. So now for lambda is equal to 1, A minus lambda I into x is equal to A minus I into x equal to 0. So this you will get A minus I. So 1 minus 1 0, 2 0, 2 minus 1 is 1 into x1 x2 is equal to 0 0. So this you will get 2x2, here at x2 is equal to 0 0. So this you will get x2 is equal to 0. x1 is free variable. x1 is free variable. Therefore 1 comma 0 is an eigenvector for lambda is equal to 1. Now for lambda is equal to 2, A minus 2ix equal to 0. A minus 2i into x equal to 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Here it is 2, 0, 0. x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. It is minus x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. Or 2x2 is equal to x1. Therefore, 1 comma 1 by 2, column vector 1 1 by 2 is an eigenvector for lambda is equal to 2. So therefore A is equal to 0, b is equal to half, and hence therefore a plus b is equal to half, 0 plus half. Hence option a plus b equal to half, option 2 is true. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.